look what these greedy little buggers did to my kale. This right here, let's see if I can point to it. This is a cabbage worm. There's white butterflies that come in, lay eggs on your brassicas, and then their little worms, caterpillars, eat them up. So I don't generally like to spray pesticides on my plants, particularly stuff like leafy greens, which I often just pick them and eat them while I'm in the garden. Of course, a plane flies over when I'm trying to do this real quick. But what I do is I just come in and I pick them up and I toss them off my deck. There is a big pokeweed behind my house. They can have some pokeweed, but they are not gonna stay in my garden. So there's like a bunch of them. If there's a lot of them on the stem, see there's 1, 2, 3, 4 that I can see clearly on the stem. So I am going to just break it off and throw the whole thing off my deck. Some of these are quite large. They're getting tossed. Just like that. Bye. Ugh, that one fell inside my fence. Boo. But this is just how I do it.